it's me Sumna Gurung. And yeah, it's been a while. I have not uploaded any videos because of my work, and like I was operating daily flights. Because of that I could not upload any videos. त्यही कारणले गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ आज चाहिँ एप कति दिन भयो, सो आई मस्ट अपलोड भनेर सोचे. त्यही कारणले चाहिँ भिडियो लिएर आएको म. आई होप यु गाइज विल लाइक इट. एन्ड यो भिडियो चाहिँ के हो भने आई हेभ बिन रिसिभिङ टेक्स्ट फ्रम माई फ्रेन्ड्स, माई फ्यामिली, and even there are few people from Insta who wanted to know कि like cabin crew ले चाहिँ किन like they usually carry the stroller जापानी जाँदाखेरि is it that important भनेर क्वेशन्सहरु कति आइरहेको छ मेरोमा. त्यही कारणले गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ why not भनेर चाहिँ म त्यसको बारेमा केही भिडियो बनाउँछु भनेर सोचे. So yes, I have my stroller here with me. It's quite heavy. So like yes, it is very important for us to carry this stroller जापानी जाँदाखेरि, किनकि sometimes like कहाँनिर जाँदाखेरि फ्लाइट अब लाइक सपोज लाइक आइम ट्राभलिङ फ्रम चेन्नई टु कलकत्ता जाँदा कोही बेला केही प्रब्लम भयो, केही इमर्जेन्सी भएर फ्लाइट जहाँ पनि डाइभर्ट भयो दिल्ली कहाँ पनि राख्न सक्छ. त्यही कारणले गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ लाइक इट्स भेरी इम्पोर्टेन्ट फर अस टु क्यारी दिस स्ट्रोलर. एन्ड त्यसको भित्र चाहिँ वाट अल थिङ्स डु वी क्यारी भनेर आइम गोइङ टु सो यु गाइज. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. सो यो आइम विथ माई स्ट्रोलर. सो आइम गोइङ टु टेल यु गाइज वाट अल थिङ्स डु वी क्यारी whenever we travel. So firstly, I have this passport, which is very important for us to carry. Without this passport, we can't even travel. Whether it's domestic or international, we have to carry this. And secondly, I have my AP. Without this, I can't even like enter the airport. QRH file, which looks very small, but it's very helpful for us, for all the crew, because each and everything is written over here, whether it is medical emergency, whether it is like emergency. Like sometimes even we get confused, you're right or wrong. At that time we can use this book. And we have this QRH file. It's not each and everything is written over here, like the expiry of our training, and whether like कोही बेला चाहिँ नयाँ के आइरहन्छ. So we have to keep this updated. त्यही कारणले त्यति बेला चाहिँ के चाहिँ नयाँ छ, एयरक्राफ्टको बारेमा के नयाँ छ, के हो, कस्तो नयाँ छ भने चाहिँ we can use this QRH book, QRH file, sorry. And I have this laundry bag. The laundry bag matter, what do I have for the tray? I have my extra uniform, extra pair of formal shoes, stockings, extra stockings, and all those like formal dress and all. We have to carry this every time, every day, because sometimes we might have chance like we have to use our formal dress or extra pair of uniform. Because of that, we have to carry this. Each and everyone has to carry this. It's not inconvenient to carry this. And I have this, a makeup pouch. I'm not going to open this because like I have lots and lots of stuff inside this, so I'm just going to show you this. And I have this toiletry bag. I have even it's my night kit because सबै कुरो मैले एकै जग्गा हालेर राखेको छु. because toiletry, each and everything I have this. And BHU bag, because I have my BHU inside this bag, because like we have to do our PA before operating a flight. I have this small pouch in which I have like extra pair of earrings, clips, hairpins, each and everything I have inside this. I have my face wash. I have my history, which I usually carry because it's my function. And I have this pouch. It's a cat pouch. And an extra pair of PPE kits. Because in this situation, like in this pandemic, I have to use this. Yes, it denies you like these all are the stuff which usually cabin crew have. They travel because it's very important for us to carry each and everything like well prepared by Janu. So yes, that was it. I hope you guys came to know that why do we carry Banero. And yes, that's all for today. Thank you so much. I hope you guys will like this video, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Like if you want any questions regarding how to become a cabin crew, like if you have any related question, you can just inbox me. Thank you so much. Bye.